Okay, today we got a couple Drill Master drills here. So this is my original one, bought, it's cheap, Drill Master, Harbor Freight. I think I paid 14 something for it, I don't remember. I had a, I think I had a coupon, or they had it on sale. I had a gift card, so actually I don't really have any money in it. It was a pretty nice drill for drilling wood, like pilot holes and stuff. I liked it. Anyway, it worked fine until it fell down off of a... I can't remember if I dropped it or it just fell down from from a certain height onto the ground. And with the battery on it, it cracked the plastic. So we got this one. I got it for $5 at local Habitat for Humanity Restore store. They actually had a couple in there. I should have grabbed the other one for $5. I mean, these drills aren't really worth that much, but $5. This one here appears to be something don't sound right in it. I think the clutch is stuck on it. Yeah, like I can't move the clutch, and the forward reverse is stuck. So I don't really care if this works or not. What I'm gonna do. What the plan is to try and swap the guts out of this one into this one. But we're gonna see how well that goes. Looks like they do have a different sticker on them. So possibly this one's newer. This isn't that old. A few years old at the most. Alright, we're going to start tearing one of these apart here, and then we will show you once we get them apart. Okay, so actually I'm going to put the battery on this and see what it does before I take it apart. Sounds like it's shorting out. The light's coming on. Something don't sound good. Disconnect that before it destroy the battery. Yeah, it's definitely broke. And this one I had put some tape around it. Try to tape the pieces back on temporarily just to make it work. Because this, let's see here. If you put it together, it'll work. Sort of. But of course the battery won't stay on. Okay, that was a lot easier than I was expecting. Basically, I thought I was going to have to take all this off, but basically just take all the screws out here, two here, there, and there. Pops right off. So actually, I'm not exactly sure what's going on with this, other than I do know the switch isn't springing all the way back, and that's not allowing that to move, which is our forward reverse. There's a transistor there, that's interesting. Maybe that's bad. I'm going to play with this a little more. I mean, I don't see why. It's almost like I could make this one work, but I probably just swap the guts out. That's all I need to do. Maybe play with this another time. See if I can get it going. The motor might still be good, unless it's burnt up. I don't know. Or that's bad. The switch has definitely got a problem. So you guys can check this out. So that light, you can actually generate power with this and make that light work. That's neat. Oh, maybe I can use that for another project. Make a little generator out of it. I don't know. Honestly, the motor might be good, so I'll probably hang on to it. This is what it looks like apart. It's basically, it just pulls all out of there. It's hopefully everything from that one will just swap right in. I think I'll probably revisit this and try to actually figure out what actually failed on it. This one looks a little different. No transistor out in the open like on this one. That's really weird. Got a hair in there. Otherwise they look the same. Alright, I'll pull this one out. Pretty simple actually. Oh. Alright, let's see if we can make the swap. Well, it all fits together. That was quick. Only had to just fiddle with that. Gotta make sure you get the, well, it's not going to show up on camera, but there's a little black tab there. It goes in between the two red tabs there on the switch. Well, it's buttoned back up. Hardest part is just gotta make sure you get the wires and this part lined up, everything lined up, and it'll go back together. I managed to somehow crack off. I'm tightening this screw down, or putting the screw in. Managed to crack off the stud that the screw screws into. Obviously, these are made of premium quality plastic, which explains why that looks like that. So this should work again until I drop it, or work until I drop it again. Let's set you back up here. Let's see if this thing works. Well, looks like I got a usable tool again. Cost me $5, but I mean, hey, cordless drill that the motor still ran good on, still had a battery. It was half decent. I mean, $5 really. I mean, you can't get another one of these at Harbor Freight for that price. I mean, you can get them pretty cheap, but not for $5. Alright, there you go. Back in service.